The alien vessel materialized in the silent void above a world still in its infancy, a ghost in the cosmic dark. Its metallic shell, a collage of alloys unknown to any terrestrial forge, shimmered against the backdrop of distant, cold stars. From the core of its structure, a vast crystalline lens dilated, opening like the iris of a colossal eye. A soft, inquisitive blue light emanated from within, casting a gentle luminescence upon the roiling clouds and turbulent oceans of the primeval Earth. It was a gaze of pure, untainted curiosity, a silent observer arriving to witness the dawn of a planet teeming with nascent potential. The probe descended, a quiet god from a far-flung galaxy, its presence an ephemeral secret held between the young Earth and the endless expanse of space. With movements as fluid as the currents below, the probe submerged into the primordial soup of the ocean. It was a world of shadow and nascent life, a murky abyss where the first stirrings of existence were taking hold. The probe's blue light scanned the depths, picking out a simple, gelatinous life form drifting aimlessly. It was a creature of profound simplicity, a mere collection of cells bound by the singular will to survive. The probe drew closer, its movements gentle and inquisitive, careful not to disturb the delicate dance of this early life. As it observed the creature pulse and drift, its internal light shifted, the cool blue of observation warming into a soft, fascinated orange. It was a silent expression of wonder, a recognition of the fragile, tenacious beauty unfolding in this planetary cradle. The probe followed, a patient shadow in the deep, captivated by the simple, profound miracle of life beginning its long, arduous journey. Suddenly, the seabed shuddered with a violent, deep-throated groan. A nearby underwater volcano erupted, spewing a plume of superheated gas, ash, and molten rock into the water column. The serene environment was shattered by a cataclysm of raw, untamed power. The probe initially recoiled, its smooth surface rippling as if in shock from the percussive blast. Its orange light flickered, momentarily overwhelmed by the sheer destructive force. Yet after a moment's hesitation, a new impulse took over. It moved closer, its central lens widening to its fullest extent, the light within intensifying. It was no longer just fascination, but a profound sense of awe. The probe held its position, a steadfast witness to the planet's violent, creative fury, observing the chaos that forged continents and shaped the very chemistry of the sea. The display of raw power was terrifying, yet beautiful, a testament to the untamable spirit of this young world. Its survey complete, its internal archives filled with the sights and sounds of a world on the cusp of greatness, the probe began its silent ascent. It rose from the turbulent ocean, passed through the volcanic haze hanging in the atmosphere, and returned to the quiet solitude of space. Before dematerializing, it lingered for a final moment, turning its great lens back toward the blue and white marble below. The orange light of awe and fascination pulsed softly, a slow, rhythmic beat like a pensive heart. It was a final, lingering look, a gesture of quiet reverence for the world it was leaving behind. Then, as silently as it had arrived, the alien vessel vanished, leaving the young Earth to continue its long, unobserved journey toward its own distant destiny, its first visitor now just a memory held by the stars.